Hey, John here from JON'S Do It Yourself. I received my Lumary smart LED pathway lights in the mail today, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing, then installation. Now I'm really excited because these pathway lights boast up to 16 million different colors and can be controlled remotely from your smartphone. Now the side of the box shows that they can be linked to your Alexa, voice controlled, and group controlled. I'm not sure what that means yet. Set to a timer so you don't have to think about them every day. And one thing I didn't realize was that they can be synced to music, which will come in handy this Halloween when I make the lights dark purple and make them pulse to like eerie music. So let's open this up, see what we have, and then get to installing them. After we are all done, I will give you a quick review on the difficulty of installation and syncing with the phone. So let's open the box and see what we got. Overall, the box is nicely packed. It's very light, but there's not too much in it. You have your manual, you have hard aluminum mounting stakes, you have a power adapter, you have a control box, and then you have the 6 lights that come with the package. So before we go out and install these lights, we are going to connect them to my router. Later I will connect them via Bluetooth. So is the process hard? Well, it's so easy, I thought I would take the time to show you exactly how long this should take. And better yet, I will have someone else do the dirty work and offer no assistance. I have displayed my phone's timer, so if we edit and move forward in the video, you can see the actual duration and the time that this took. The first thing you have to do is download the Lumary app from the App Store. Make sure it looks like this because there are multiple apps and the one you need might not be the first one that comes up. Once the app is installed, follow the instructions and create an account. Once you have the app open, you can just follow the step-by-step process of connecting to your pathway lights. Okay, just like in all my videos, I don't edit out my mistakes. So yes, it helps if you actually have the lights plugged into an outlet when trying to link them to your phone. Yeah, it makes this process a lot quicker. Okay, spoiler alert. Wait till you get them installed on your lawn before you start playing with the colors. But I guess my son got a little carried away. So installing the lights is pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is unbind all the wires so you can stretch out your lines for placement. Starting at the outlet, plug in your power source. Then stretch the line out to ensure it will reach your starting location. From there, place each light at the desired point and lay out the lines into each direction. After that, connect all the lines. Remember that one is the termination light and it only has one wire coming out of it. This should be placed at the very end of your string of lights. Once all the lines are connected, install the stakes on the bottom of the lights. Then, once in the desired location, push your lights firmly into the ground until the base of the stake is flush with the ground. From that point, you can bury your lines. Now you can take the time to cut the ground and seed them in, or you can simply hide them under your mulch. After that, just wait till nightfall and enjoy your lights. I thought I would just review the lights while I showed you some of the capabilities they possess. First off, know that this setup and installation is super easy. There are only 2 hiccups that you could run into. One, your router needs to have a 2.4 gigahertz capability. These will not work with a 5 gigahertz system. 2, the plug to the control box is only 2-pronged, and you can actually get this wrong. So if your lights don't light up right away while you're setting it up, try reversing it. The software to control the lights is super easy to understand and navigate, and super fun. You will catch yourself playing with it before you decide on a final color. The lights can be controlled by Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThing, and many other devices. Each light can be controlled individually. There are 2 types of light, cool and warm, so you can create the atmosphere you want. You can adjust the brightness between 1 and 100. The lights can be set to a timer to turn off without any manual intervention. They are 100% waterproof and they can be synced to your music for that extra touch during Halloween, birthdays, weddings, or any other holiday music you need. After installing these lights and getting them set to what I wanted, I have to say that I'm very impressed with the quality and ease of use. These are definitely do-it-yourselfer lights. This system will be no problem for you to install and set up. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.